Hello and welcome to program 21 in this series of tutorials and programs that focus on TradeStation EasyLanguage. This program, which I'm calling the Markplex Turning Point Finder, is available through the Strategy Network, so you can get a free trial of it there if you're interested. And what it aims to do is find turning points on a chart, and when it finds them, it plots a point at the actual bar where it's found the point. Now what can happen as that bar is forming, the point may appear and then disappear, but once the bar is complete, then the point will stay there. Now there are four distinctly different ways that this program is looking for these points, and incidentally it's based on CCI, stochastic, and moving averages is how it's doing its calculation. But the four, you can control the color of the dots using the go to format and then color, and you can see the difference, B being bottom, T being top, and at the moment I've got conditions 1 and 2, either green for the bottom and red for the top. And then for the other two conditions, 3 and 4, I've set these as cyan for the bottom and magenta for the top. And you can change those colors. You can also change the style. So I've got them set at the moment with a fairly heavy weight, but you could change the weighting and the type of the plots as well. So this is a ShowMe study. And we've also got two inputs here, which I probably should just explain as well. Now, these inputs only refer to the conditions 3 and 4. The first one, condition 3, only refers to 3. That must be set between 0 and 100. And I've found, looking at the mini Dow, that a value of about 85 seems to be optimal, but you could play around with that, especially if you apply this to other instruments. The next one, condition 3, 4, this one applies to both 3 and 4, and this really just needs to be an integer, so it could be anything over 0, and I found that setting this at about 100 appears to be a fairly good value. So let's just look at the chart and look at some of the results. So as you can see, some of these do look quite good. What we do get though occasionally, if I can just find an example, is for example here, where we're in a downtrend, we will get sometimes spurious signals that perhaps indicate that the market is consolidating a little bit, or just plain wrong. And again, you can see here we've got two signals here where there is a little bit of subsequent upward movement, but then we've got two here which happen on the downtrend, and as I say, may indicate a little bit of consolidation, but sometimes perhaps not. Again, if you're not part of the Markplex, markplex.com email list, then please go to Markplex and sign up, and I'll be happy to let you know when I create new tutorials or programs. And also, as I mentioned at the beginning, this ShowMe study is going to be available on the Strategy Network. I think I'm going to give it a 5-day free trial, so you're welcome to use the program and experiment with it. And if you've not used the Strategy Network, it's very easy to sign up for a free trial and insert the ShowMe study into your charts. So thank you very much.